Hello there, my little sheebies. It is me, Dosha Plays One, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be playing Toca Kitchen 2. So let's get started. I know Dosha Plays 3. You commented on one of my videos. You said that I should make longer videos, and I'll try to. Okay. But if I do, sometimes it takes forever to load, and sometimes it fails in uploading. So just a little tic-tac about it. So let's pick this guy, the monster. I got my turtle next to me. It's just a stuffed turtle. I have two turtles. I love turtles. Okay, let's see. What would you like to eat, sir? I like your nipples. I don't know. What is this? Okay. Oh no. You want to eat this right now? Okay, that's just your refreshments. Not refreshments. Appetizers. Let's make you some rice. No. I guess we put it in. Wait, no, we can fry rice. Let's make fried rice, guys. I love fried rice. Yes. Yes. Let's make fried rice. This is a thing, if you don't know. Fried rice is actually really good. It's the thing in Panda Express, like, you know, that fried rice, and it has peas and carrots. Yeah, it's my favorite. Yeah, blow in it, little guy. Yeah, I know. Let's give you something to go with the rice. Give you some fish. Fish is delicious. Okay, we're gonna fry it. No, not fry it, I guess. I don't know, to be honest, but just gonna make this fish look delicious. Let's put some lemons. Lemon, yeah. Okay. We're gonna make this a true feast for the monster. Okay, done. To go with your fried rice. Wait. Now, we're gonna give you something to drink. Give you some peach juice. You seem to really like peach. So, yes, let's give you that nice peach juice. I can't speak. Peach juice. Okay, let's eat. My gosh, your mouth is humongous. And drink. Drink. Done. How is it? Oh, okay. Let's make you some orange juice. Yeah, let's make you some orange juice. Yeah, some orange juice right fresh out of the pulp. Yummy or what? You should eat healthy, so we're gonna be giving you, drink healthy. Pineapple. Wait, pineapple. We need an apple. Is this an apple? No, this is a tomato. Wait, we can make some ketchup. You drink this quick. Finish it. Ew. What's wrong with you? Stop it. You're evil. Gonna make you some ketchup. With extra ketchup. Yes, more ketchup. Sans, if you're out there watching this, enjoy. Mmm. Don't splat on my screen. Okay, good. For our last food meal today, we'll give you a potato. Now we're gonna give you French fries. Like French fry wedges. French fry wedges. Okay. We're gonna make you some Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is kind of made of corn syrup, so we're gonna use corn. Boom. I'm a total genius, guys. So we made you Coca-Cola. Some of that. We should make you a burger. Wait, burger, stop. And some meat. Just wait. Be patient, little man. Actually, big man. Okay. Let's add some, I don't know. I'm not a chef. Just add all those. Put the bread in. Gonna fry the bread. Yes. Perfect. A burger. Eat, eat. Delicious. I'm so good at this. Wait, we're gonna poison his drink. What? I'm not doing anything. Just finish your French fry wedges. Do you not like them? Okay, now drink. Haha. Well, guys, I think we're going to be finishing up for today. So that was Toca Kitchen 2. So check it out. Download it in Google Play or the App Store. We're going to say bye to this guy. Eat some chicken, guys. Eat. Ugh. Fine. Eat a potato. Ugh. Thank you. Eat a potato, guys. See ya.